on question 6, we are given a sample data set, which means when we calculate the 1-var stats, we want to select the S for the standard deviation instead of the lowercase sigma. So I've calculated my 1-var stats. My mean is 5.75, and for my standard deviation, I'm selecting the S, and I do want to copy the entire decimal. Now I'm going to round my mean to the tenths place, so that will be 5.8. My standard deviation, I'm going to round to 2 places, so that's 2.92. And then I want to square the entire decimal to get the variance, and that's going to be 8.50.